Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Trickers World. Today we are going to talk to you about the Amazon Prime Day Sale 2021. But before we go more into the details, please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Trickers World to stay updated with the latest offers, deals and tech news. So first let us check out when this sale is going to begin. It is going to begin on 26th July and it will go on till the 27th of July 2021. Now let us look at the offers, deals and discounts that you can get on the Amazon Prime Day sale. First of all, we'll check out the mobiles and accessories offers. You can get up to 40% off on your purchases from the latest brands during the Prime Day sale. You can find brands like OnePlus, Xiaomi, Samsung, iQOO and more during the sale. Next up we have the electronics offers. You can get up to 60% off on your electronics purchases during the Prime Day sale. You can get brands like HP, Boat, Samsung, Xiaomi and many others. You can buy laptops, tabs, fitness bands, earbuds and a lot more during the sale. If you are looking for the latest fashion offers and deals during the Prime Day sale, you will be delighted because on Amazon Fashion, you can get up to 80% off on all your purchases on the latest fashion and accessories during the Prime Day sale. You can find out brands like Levi's, Bata, Lakme, American Tourister and more. If you are looking for the kitchen and home appliances during the Prime Day sale, you can get up to 70% off on all your purchases during this sale. Brands like Eureka, Forbes, Wipro, Prestige, Home Center and many others are easily available during the sale. If all these weren't enough, you can also get TV appliances, fridge, AC, washing machine and a lot more with a discount of up to 65% during the Prime Day sale. Brands like Redmi, Samsung, LG, Whirlpool and many others are easily available during the Amazon Prime Day sale. If you are looking to shop for daily essentials, then you are in luck because you can get up to 20 to 60% off on all your purchases from brands like Gillette, Huggies, Cadbury's, Pedigree and a lot more during the Prime Day sale. Make sure that you make the most out of it. For other details, you can check out the link mentioned in the description. If all these weren't enough, you also have bank offers where you can get an instant 10% discount with HDFC Bank credit or debit card when you make any transaction during the Prime Day sale. So make sure that you use your HDFC Bank cards to make payments and enjoy this amazing discount. So this was all in today's video. We will be back very soon with another video and on another sale. If you enjoyed all the details about the Amazon Prime Day sale, then like this video and you can also check out the additional offers, deals and discounts during the sale by checking out and clicking on the link mentioned in the description. We'll be back very soon. Till then, goodbye.